You know what time it is. It's fall time and everybody is talking about pumpkin spice lattes. Well, what I want to do today is talk to you about a healthier option, which would be a pumpkin pie smoothie. So today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite fall time smoothies that not only is nutritious and delicious, but it's also going to have some anti-inflammatory properties and some gut healing properties. So it'll be great for anybody with a thyroid condition, autoimmune condition, leaky gut, or any kind of inflammation. So let's get started. So we're going to start with a half a cup of full fat coconut milk. We're going to add in a scoop of the Myers Way Paleo protein powder. You can either use the vanilla that has a little bit of stevia in it, or you can use the plain that has no stevia or anything in it. So we'll take a scoop of this. I like the vanilla personally. So 1 scoop of vanilla, our gut healing collagen that we're going to use, just a teaspoon of that. I've already prepared some pumpkin pie spices together. So we're going to be putting in a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Then I have mixed with a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then you can either use powdered, or I used freshly ground both ginger and turmeric. Look at how beautiful that color is. So I have all that prepared right here already. So we'll put that in. We have our pumpkin puree. Be sure that you get the pumpkin puree and not the pumpkin pie puree, because that has added sugar in it along with flavoring. Of course, you can cook up your own pumpkin and use your own, pureed pumpkin. Typically, it's easier to get it out of a can if you don't mind. A little pinch of salt. And then ice to your desire, between a 1/2 cup to a cup of ice. So, and then it's going to be loud for a second while we mix this up. All right, I love my Vitamix. And what I love about this protein powder is not only is it gluten-free, dairy-free, grain-free, and legume-free, it actually comes from grass-fed cows. It's hydrolyzed beef. It doesn't sound delicious, but it is actually amazing. Like I said, I'm addicted to the vanilla, but the more you mix it up, the fluffier it gets and the creamier it gets. And of course, you can just add ice to your preference. And the ginger and the turmeric are extremely anti-inflammatory. Look at that, how just a smoothie coming out. I think I added, a little bit too much ice. Whoopsie. Okay. Sorry about that. A little too much ice there. Okay. So this is a pumpkin pie smoothie that is grain-free, gluten-free, dairy-free. It's gut healing. It's anti-inflammatory. And on top of all of that, it is absolutely delicious. I'm making a mess. But it literally tastes like pumpkin pie. It's all over my face now. It literally tastes like pumpkin pie. It's amazing. And you can get these ingredients usually at Whole Foods, and these can be found on my store. So here's to the fall, and here's to a healthier option of a pumpkin pie smoothie.